Okay,
Look,
so
yan ang magtatapon. Now look at the trash girl.
she's gonna throw
That's
trash.
her uniform. Our maid. Throw it. Hayaku. Oh, this is our house. Today we're going to Ueno Zoo or Ueno Park or whatever. We are going to Ueno Station. We're just looking around. So before that, you have to turn around inside our house. Go. This is our own small house. Is this a house or apartment?
It's a house.
House.
But it could be considered an apartment. Oh, that's fast.
Very fast. So tired.
Okay, this is where I stayed for 5 days.
Oh,
Amy's room.
The brown.
yes.
What's that?
The bed,
The warm.
warm blanket.
Oh yeah.
Hot.
And
And
I
this-
slept
yes.
here. I like sleeping on the bed. Amy's kind enough to let me use her bed.
And this is Amy's laptop.
Oh,
Oh,
the
the
one-
model. Oh, she's become model. You can buy this one for how much? Discounted.
And here's the
Oh, and there's a tatami mat on the ground.
Yes.
This one's the traditional Japanese room.
With lots of
With lots of clothes.
hanging, and
There's-
that is
there's-
Japanese, Philippine style. That's
Okay.
our Japanese putong.
Futon, yes.
And this is Japanese curtain.
Everything is Japanese, even the
Yeah.
door. And here's the laundry. There's no dryer.
Yes.
And then there's the bathroom.
Bathroom. And that is the toilet.
Oh, this toilet. Oh, America, we call it bathroom. It's the same room, that's why. And then, see? Shower. Shower and the tub is different.
Different. And here is the kitchen. Small.
small kitchen.
This is my mom's favorite
Yes,
place.
please. And we have a calendar with my schedule. Day off schedule. Oh,
Oh, circle means day off?
yes.
Wow, you have a lot of day off.
Yes.
And there's an X.
Yeah, I miss.
Okay, so we're gonna travel.
Yes,
We will
we're going
travel.
out